My name is Hep. I would like to give you the introduction of our newly launched Wertheim Glide Pro. This is the water tank. There is no need to use a cleaning solution. The machine has a built-in electrolyzer. It's well known for removing dirt and bacteria. It has a very large diameter brush roller, providing better and deep cleaning action. The dirty water tank, it can hold up to 600 milliliters of dirty water. The dirty water tank comes with a removable deodorizing cartridge. It helps to remove bad odor and the smell from the dirty water tank. It can be used lying flat without having water to go into the motor. This machine can be used as a hand vacuum. It has a detachable hand vacuum. It comes with a dotting brush, flexible and stretched hose, flexible acrylic tool with light. And when you finish, you just press the button to release the dirt. This is a self-cleaning charging base with hot air drying function. It comes with a detachable tray. You can remove and wash this at the sink. Just turn on the power button here.
Eco mode, max mode, auto mode.
And if you need water, you can spray extra water for stain removal. When you finish, you just need to put the machine on the self-cleaning charging base. You press the self-cleaning button on the top of the handle
Start self-cleaning and enter
to start the
dry
self-cleaning
mode.
process. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you.